Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you 10 common interior design mistakes you might be making in your home and how you can fix them. If you can't quite put your finger on what's off in your home and why it isn't looking like you imagined, this video is just for you. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Let's jump right into one that affects every room: neglecting your vertical space. Interior design is all about layers, working from your floor up to the ceiling. If you stop halfway with just a rug and furniture, the top half of your room can feel empty. Consider adding wall shelves, built-in or floating, wall art, and picture lights or sconces to enhance your walls. This not only draws the eye upwards, but completes your vision with aesthetic appeal. From lighting to paint colors, wallpaper, as well as trim, thinking about your vertical spaces can transform your home. By completing these areas, you allow your home to feel larger and more complete. Remember, this applies to both small and large spaces. So, start thinking vertically and watch your home transform. Decor. Filling your space thoughtfully is key. If your sofa is lined end-to-end with throw pillows, it might look too cluttered. Consider removing some pillows or creating groupings of different styles to achieve a dynamic look. Play with various colors, patterns, and materials. Just avoid aligning them in a straight line. Selecting the perfect furniture can feel overwhelming. It's important to find pieces that are timeless, comfortable, and the right size and color. To ensure a good fit, try using the 3D visualizers offered by many retailers. These tools let you virtually place furniture in your home to see how it looks and fits. Utilize tools like mood boards by collecting images of your planned items in a document or app. This allows you to visualize how everything will look together and make adjustments beforehand, ultimately preventing design mistakes. Decorating is all about balance. Avoid an overly decorated home by creating space between your decor items. Use groupings of odd numbers with varied textures, heights, and colors to guide the eyes naturally without overwhelming them. Strategic arranging can create a relaxed and airy atmosphere. Remember to test paint colors in different lighting and on various walls before committing, as paint appearances can vary greatly. By planning wisely, you'll create a cohesive and inviting home environment. The atmosphere inside your home is crafted by a variety of elements. One of those critical elements is paint color. When selecting paint colors, don't just rely on the swatch card. Test it. Natural light, your flooring, and even the furniture affect how a color appears. Whites, for example, are particularly elusive, potentially casting shades of yellow or blue depending on your environment. Sample pots are invaluable. Paint swatches and observe them from morning to night under different lighting settings to truly understand the color. When considering rugs, size truly matters. Small rugs can make a space feel cramped, especially in areas like entryways. A larger rug instantly expands the visual flow, providing a balanced look. I once replaced a small doormat with a larger rug in my entryway, and the transformation was remarkable, even if it involved some tricky cutting around the air vent. Always opt for the largest size your space can accommodate. A well-sized rug enhances both movement and space perception. Incorporating cohesive design strategies, like color palettes and mixing shapes, can tie together disparate styles between rooms, creating a seamless flow throughout your home. Small tweaks can make a significant impact. Home's interiors feeling a bit bland with straight edges and squared-off furnishings. Adding interest to your home is simple, yet transformative when you mix in varied shapes. Instead of sticking with the usual square rug or rectangular wall mirror, consider integrating a round coffee table alongside your traditional sectional. Try swapping that generic mirror for an arched or uniquely shaped piece. These changes, though simple, can inject sophistication and intrigue into any space. In my own home, our sunroom was originally a very rectangular, angular space. I found that playing with round, curved edges significantly boosted its appeal, transforming it from ordinary to extraordinary. Placing these novel shapes atop a rectangular rug brought everything together beautifully. Remember, good design balances form and function. It's not just about aesthetic appeal. Your space should also cater to practical needs. That's where storage solutions come in. A storage bench or a basket with lids can hide clutter effortlessly, particularly if you have kids or pets. Closed storage options provide an easy, maintenance-free way of organizing. Enhance the functionality of each room. Your home will both look beautiful and serve your family's needs efficiently.